the dirt. Alright guys, my name is Hector and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today, we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new Kelyee 3-in-1 cordless vacuum. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it off reviews. Let's go and actually check it out. Got the user manual right there. Let's go and actually see it. Alright, now let's go and actually check it out. Everything does come inside, just be careful when opening it. Obviously I didn't. So here's some of the attachments you get for it. Check that out. We should be able to maybe put these all together in case you need to access something a little further than where you're at. It comes with the charger for it, 2 batteries, look at this one. This will be handy for like the cars or sofas or anything like that. It does come with some wheels, which we'll go ahead and put them on. Strap for it. And check out this one. That's like these little bristles here, and then like a harder plastic on this side. And this one as well. Very, very nice. You get this attachment, and you also get this attachment right here as well. All right, and then you see that the filter is right here. We'll go ahead and assemble it back. And then you're gonna wanna go ahead and latch these like so. And then we'll go ahead and do this side as well, just like that. So everything is nice and sealed up. Handle right there. Check this out. So we should be ready to go. Let's put the battery in. And then right here's where we're gonna actually put the battery. I'm gonna see if one's already charged. If not, we'll go ahead and charge it for a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and insert it. All right, seems like it's ready to go. We'll go ahead and put one of the attachments on there. So I don't need it this long. So go like that. And then we'll go ahead and put this one so it's ready to go. So before we do that, let's go ahead and actually put the wheels as well. And the wheels are just gonna go right here at the bottom. Literally just shove them in like this. And then it's good to go. So now you're able to move it wherever you like. All right, and then the last thing I wanted to show is if you did want to put these straps on there, we'll go ahead and do that now. And there's little slots here on the side, like that. And like that, and you're good to go. So now you got the wheels, you got the straps, so different options how you want to carry this around. So now let's go and actually test it out. All right, so now let's go and actually turn on the vacuum here. There we go. You can see you're getting all the dirt. honestly. Remove the mat. There we go. Check that out. Very good. You can see if you can use it on the sofa. You can use it on the seats right here. Very cool. That's just one of the attachments right there. All right, now let's go ahead and switch out the attachment. I want to kind of use this one for the edges, so we'll go ahead and turn it back on. It can be like for the little edges that you kind of get right here on the side that you normally can't reach, even right down here. Super simple to use. There we go, awesome. So you can see, all right, so as you can see, we're gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna show you right on here. There is two options right here to choose from. A little stronger right there, and a little bit chiller right there. But here's the other cool part. So we're gonna go ahead and actually use the blowing option. So it also serves as a vacuum, but I'm gonna go ahead and remove this piece right here, just like so. And we're gonna flip it over and push it down this side. Once you hook it up, now we could use this side for blowing. So let's go ahead and do that. Dust stuff off. Put up. Very cool. See, now we can blow everything out that we need. Super, super cool. Different ways to use the vacuum. And then once you're done, like I said, we just take this piece off, flip it, and then put it back on this side. Just make sure locks in like so. Bam, there we go. All right, and then once you're done, we're gonna go ahead and just open up these latches like so. And you can go throw away, the trash that we accumulated, dump it out, and you're good to go. Like I said, you got that filter that you can dust off, clean off for now. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new cordless 3-in-1 vacuum, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I can get yours. Highly recommend.